Well, we made it through 4th of July weekend here in America because today is July 7th. All right, 7/7 of 25. So, with Save Club, we're a little over a month old, okay? We kicked off June 1st of 2025, and, here it is, 30 some odd days going on 40 since we've kicked off this bad boy. Thousands of people signing up per day just to save money on things you're already buying, okay? I'm saving on food, of course. Now, I had to buy tires for many vehicles, and I used my discount through Save Club to save hundreds and hundreds of dollars. All right, now, I don't buy tires every day or every year, but I'll tell you what, when I joined Save Club a month or so ago, I'm freaking out still that for 1997, okay, so that $20 basically saved me almost 900 over the last month or two. Discount tire. I had to buy these dang things, and there's nothing worse than when you have a vehicle and you have to buy brakes or tires or recharge your air conditioning. It's just stuff you have to do to maintain the car. It's always fun if you tint the windows or add a stereo or add brand new tires and wheels or lower vehicles or lift them up, customize them. But if you own vehicles, it could be a motorcycle, a scooter, a car, a truck. You got to fix them, right? You got to maintain them. So, can you save money with Save Club if you have an automobile? There are thousands of participants, from oil changes, brakes, paint, bodywork. Even Ford offers a $4,950 discount. Okay, this isn't like jack up the car retail to like $70,000 and then sell it for $50,000. Okay. This is, if you're looking for a Ford product, you go, log into saveclub.com or the app, however. You can be on a home computer like I'm talking to you guys right now, or just go on your cell phone. And when you're driving around, this is what I did the other day. For some reason, I crave Whoppers. I don't even give a crap about Burger King. But for some reason, when I'm really starving, the smell, especially this weekend, because it was barbecue times 1,000 here in America. 4th of July, sun, fun, and barbecue. I live at the bottom of Mount Olympus. Within 15 minutes, I have like 3 or 4 of the best canyons of driving. And I got on my bikes, my trucks, I got some vehicles out, and I was driving through the canyons, and I just smelled barbecued hamburgers. Okay? Our hamburgers are cheeseburgers for everybody. How about grilled hot dogs when they're black? I like to blacken those damn things. I think they taste better. But when I got out of the canyons, I was like, okay, where could I quickly go and kind of enjoy grilled cheeseburgers? And it was Burger King. So, saveclub.com. Boom, boom, boom. I just typed in the word Burger King. And on the cell phone, if you have it to where it can track where you're at. All right, I was just in the heart of Salt Lake City, and it said, well, if you want to go to this Burger King, and it even shows you where it's at, go there. It's 2 for 1 price. Buy one Whopper, get the other one free. Now, that is worth it to me because a Whopper's $5 to $6 just for one. I remember when they were like $2. Well, welcome to 2025. A Whopper is $5, $6. But if I can get 2, then I can justify, okay, you know what, if it's $2.50 to $3, and I think Whoppers are big. Like they say the Big Mac. Oh my God, the Big Mac now is so tiny. It's almost like a junior cheeseburger. It's embarrassing. But I still dig the Whopper. And I dig getting 1, 2 for the price of 1. Okay, count me in. That was me over the weekend. All right, now, what else do I got to buy this week? I ran out of most of the food that I like to eat and drink when I'm in my radio station here. I have drinks, all right? I'm looking. I accidentally have breakfast. Have you ever heard of Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Don't eat it, because you'll eat it every day. It's like a dessert. I don't even know if there's any nutrition in Cinnamon Toast Crunch, just like Cocoa Pebbles, Fruity Pebbles. I bought a box of Wheaties. All right, they sound pretty good. I mean, remember Bruce Jenner? He was like running and doing all these things before he became a she, I guess. Well, anyway, Wheaties, it sounds like, okay, they're probably good for you. Bruce Jenner, man, he was like throwing the thing and just running and jumping and doing all these things. Well, I look into Wheaties, and boy, it looks like it's just 100% sugar and calories, just like every other breakfast cereal. So I got Wheaties, got Cinnamon Toast Crunch. They're almost identical. So what do? Being a numbskull? Well, I buy Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Do you think that's for sale at Walmart? Okay, or the other probably 75,000 deals that are now available with Save Club? The answer is yes. Okay, so Whoppers, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm just dying for high blood pressure and diabetes, right? Raise your hand if you agree. And I'm going to enjoy eating and drinking things until the doctor says, knock it off. And then I'm going to cry like a biatch. Then I'm going to go get my app out, go to Walmart and buy a lot of Kleenex. Okay, and baby wipes. Because I'm going to crap my pants when the doctor says no more of these things you're eating now that you're promoting on your videos. Okay? And I'm going to cry. I'm going to crap my pants and then cry. But if I can save money on baby wipes and Kleenex, you bet your ass I'm going to do it. Especially if the doctor says no more Cocoa Pebbles or Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Because then I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to freak out. And if I go to saveclub.com, I'll look up mentally unstable and people that freak out. I'm sure I can probably get a discount. Because there's some place I can probably go. And it's going to be in the back office of Save Club. So, guys, I appreciate you watching my videos. All I can do is invite you to a link. joinsaveclub.org. Can you remember that? joinsaveclub.org. Just look into it. Here, I'll just show you. Look, joinsaveclub.org. You're going to have an orgy. How's that sound? Just click that button or link. It's probably below this video. I want you to go and watch this YouTube video. It's of our founder. He just talks for a little bit. I think it's highly entertaining. Then put your information right here. That's it. Just put your information, hit that orange button, and then you know what? I'm going to send you more information about Save Club. And if you want to join, just open the Save Club email. Boom. All right. I know you can do this. So guys, remember, joinsaveclub.org. And come aboard. Let's have some fun, okay? Let's save some money, and then I'm going to show you how to earn money as well. All right? I think it's a good time. I think you're going to enjoy Save Club. We're brand new. We're barely a month old. All right? And we have thousands of people a day, but you have to be an affiliate like myself to sign them up. It's only $60. 3 $20 bills. Get them out. Invest them. I'm going to invite you to 2 of the biggest, okay, private, invite-only groups. We dominate the leaderboard worldwide. I want you to have the best training, pictures, videos, it's all produced. You don't even have to do a video like I'm doing now. But use our materials. Okay? Please make this simple. Let's make it fun. And now, let's go buy Cinnamon Toast Crunch. 4 to 5 boxes a week I recommend eating. Okay, thank you guys. Peace and love. And I'll see you next video. And thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. You guys take care. All right, and have a good week. Talk to you soon. Bye.